We got an exciting package from Pampered Chef. My friend Mindy Danforth ordered this for us, and I'm super excited about it. I know what it is, but my kids don't. Oh, are you? That's a lot of fun getting the box.
How do you open it?
You try your best. Do you want some help?
Yeah, if it's okay, we rip it open.
Yeah. You can rip it open.
Okay.
You singing B-I-B-L-E?
Huh? It's soft. I don't know anymore. Let's take it out.
What can it be?
What? Let's pour it. Just take it out.
Bring it this way. I want to see, please. Bring it this way. It's my present. Oh, that is super, 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 super exciting.
Yes!
Are you so excited?
Yeah!
This is a rolling pin for me. It's my first ever rolling pin.
Yeah, so the small one's for the children.
Yay. Yeah, the small rolling pin we have is for the kids. This is a grown-up one for Mommy to use. I can use it for making
and
pizza.
Mommy, just like
and
Hey
cookies.
Ducky making the pizza. Mommy, Hey Ducky's making pizza too.
Yeah, you saw a rolling pin on the show, Hey Ducky.
Mommy?
Yes.
When I want to help you make pizza, can I get the small rolling pin in
Yeah.
and help you?
Yeah, we can both use
But I
rolling
want to
pins.
roll a small kind of.
Okay. Pass me my rolling pin. I want to see it. Can you please hand me my rolling pin? Hey, my kids. My kids. Hello, my name's Mommy. Can you bring me my rolling pin? Say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mindy. Wow. It's so cool.